Welcome to Bitfumes. I'm your host Sarthak. In this episode, we are going to talk about how we can upgrade to Laravel 5.8 because Laravel 5.8 is released with many changes, and you can read this blog to have knowledge of 21 important updates you should care about on Laravel 5.8. So, upgrading to Laravel 5.8 is very simple. So here I have a simple Laravel 5.7, which you can see on the composer. It says Laravel framework 5.7 point asterisk, and you can test it like php artisan hyphen version. So yeah, you can see it says 5.7.28. How we can upgrade it to 5.8? So the simplest way is you just need to say 5.8 point asterisk. Save this file. This is the composer file. Save this composer file, and you need to run composer update like this. So what this will do, this will check that okay, Laravel framework is now has to be upgraded to 5.8 instead of 5.7. But let's see upgrade guide. So in the upgrade guide, these things are given. You need to say, yeah, 5.8 point asterisk on the composer JSON, and then you need to check the other things like PHP version. So in the upgrade guide, it's not given anywhere that there is update in PHP version. This means there is no update in PHP version. Let's say I will go to Laravel 5.7. On the 5.7, there is a guide from guide to upgrade from 5.6, and yeah, you can see it says you need to change in composer JSON, and you need to say Laravel passport to 7. So like if you go to 5.6, similarly there is a upgrade from 5.6 to 5.630. yeah, here is. So here is upgrade to 5.6 from 5.5. In that upgrade, you can see it's given that you need to use 5.6 asterisk, then Fiddler proxy to 4, then disk, passport. These things are given. So you need to check what version you have and to which version you need to upgrade. So in the 5.8, there is no breaking changes in terms of these dependencies, but yes, there are lots of changes which I have given here, so you can read. So our Laravel 5.7 is now upgraded to 5.8, and you can see there is updates, some removals, and let's check how we can check. Yeah, there is a system php artisan hyphen version. If I click, it says 5.8.2. yes, congratulations, you have upgraded from 5.7 to 5.8. like if you are using any other package, you firstly need to check that package is compatible with Laravel 5.8 or not. Otherwise, you can't update to Laravel 5.8. So suppose you are using Spassy permission. So Spassy permission package like this one. And what you need to do, you need to firstly check that composer JSON for this package is requiring it's requiring 5.8 also. That means this package will work with our Laravel 5.8 update. So whatever package you are using, you need to check that that package has Illuminate or contract, or maybe Illuminate support, or Laravel has to be 5.8 compatible. So this is the way, simplest way you can upgrade to 5.8. and if you have any doubt, you can ask question on the discussion forum of bitfumes.com website, and you can ask question and reply to others' questions so that you can have more knowledge and you can help others. And you can subscribe to this courses section here and just give your email, and whenever I publish this course section with these kind of things, the roadmap you can read, then I will inform you via the email. And there are lots of things coming in this website. website, like the point section, whenever you ask question, whenever you reply to others question, you will get points, and then that points can be used on this course section. So I'm very excited about these things, and if you have not subscribed to this channel, go and subscribe to this channel and like Bitfumes on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, LinkedIn, and anywhere you want. Share these video with your friends so then everyone get the knowledge of best thing called Laravel. We will meet in the next episode. Till then, goodbye.